Let us begin at the top with the higher dimensions, which we can call the highest state of consciousness. It is a wakefulness in which nothing is separate from anything else. One becomes cosmic. It is like climbing a mountain. The closer I get to the top, the broader my vision. When I get to the very highest point, then I know that I belong to the Creator of every mountain everywhere. Now, at the highest point, in the vibrations that are closest to God, we simply dissolve in a state for which there are no words and no limitations. Everything that I put into words is limited by them. Logically, I say, I am here, which means that I am not somewhere else. But in this Christ consciousness, I am not in one dimension or another. I am simultaneously in all. I am everywhere and I am nowhere. I both am and am not at the same time. And I realize that reality is multidimensional and all its dimensions exist in God's mind at once, here and now. My focus of attention may change, but reality in all its coexistence is constantly there. The work goes on. The more beings that reach this space, the safer the universe, the richer the universe. God, every so often, destroys to rebuild again, and these that are always within his space go with him. There is no more the wheel of life, and no more experiences to be learned. Here we are so much a part of his being that all the experiences that could ever be experienced are in him. Here we understand all, and in these beautiful higher states of consciousness, we are like the angels, like balls of light, interpenetrating with them. We have always been told that we can go higher than angels. Some of the greatest angels interpenetrate all things, but many angels are just like very beautiful fireballs. The word fire is a better description than angels with wings made of feathers. There is a lot of powerful energy in angels, and they look almost aflame. They are so full of light, full of love, and all their energy is so mobile, so that we cannot compare it to anything we see on earth. But if you can imagine each angelic vibration as a feather, shimmering with light and dancing and very alive, when you are bathed in angelic light, you cannot really pin down the colors or vibrations one at a time, being part of all vibrations. In fact, the higher you go, you can manifest anywhere. You can be in one place and manifest in another place. We can see that for some people it would be a frightening experience to suddenly know that they had no shape and no place. To think of themselves as a sea or as a sky frightens such people, and they feel that this is something that will have to wait for another life. The beauty I feel is that the Creator has made it easy for us. We can divide dimensions into various types of spiritual colors. There are higher and lower qualities to colors, so that some parts are more beautiful than others, and although all have interpenetrating layers, there are many vibrations in them, and those vibrations differ according to how the energies are exchanged.